Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to add a new relationship event post on Facebook. Whether you're celebrating a new chapter in your life or simply want to share your joy with friends, this quick tutorial will make it easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the section that says, "What's on your mind?" This is where you usually start creating a new post. Next, scroll down through the options until you find the Life Events section. This feature is designed to highlight significant moments in your life, such as starting a new relationship. Now tap on Relationship. You'll see several options here related to relationship milestones. From this list, select New Relationship. This is the option that allows you to share the exciting news of starting a new relationship. Once you've selected it, you'll be prompted to fill in the details. This includes information like your partner's name and other optional details you'd like to include. Take your time to ensure everything is accurate and reflects what you want to share. After filling in the details, tap on Next. This will take you to a preview of your post. Here, you can review everything and make any final adjustments if needed. Finally, when everything looks good, tap on Post. Your new relationship event will now be shared with your friends and family on Facebook. And that's it. You've successfully added a new relationship event post to your Facebook timeline. It's a wonderful way to celebrate and share life's special moments with those who matter most. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. See you in the next video.